Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another G Studios video. So today I have a challenge for myself. I'm gonna see if I can learn 3 new soccer tricks in 30 minutes. So the first trick I'll be doing is I'm gonna be attempting a double around the world. It's really hard to explain and I've seen some really good freestylers do this. And I'm gonna see if I can do this trick today. Let's get it. Alright, I'm gonna start out by doing a simple around the world like this, and then I'm gonna work my way up to the double around the world. And if I want to do this challenge, I have to learn each in about 10 minutes, so let's see what happens here. Alright, I think I'm good with that, but now here's the hard part. Alright guys, it's been about 3 minutes. I'm starting to get like the general spin of the trick, but like I can't get my second foot around it yet, so I just gotta keep practicing. Guys, that is the closest I have gotten yet. Yes, let's go, guys. That probably took me like 7 to 8 minutes. I finally did it. Let's go. Guys, it has been around 10 minutes, so this is going perfectly. I'm basically gonna try to do the neck catch now. I don't know if that's the real name of it, but that's the name I made up. So basically, I'm gonna have the ball right here on my foot. I'm gonna flick it up and try to catch it on my neck like this. Now, I have tried this trick for years and I've never been able to do it, so let's see if I am able to break the cycle and do this trick. All right, guys, attempt number 1, let's get it. Guys, I'm really struggling with this one, so I'm gonna just try practicing just doing little tosses like this and see if I can catch it on my neck.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Oh, why is this one so hard? All right, guys, we are making progress.
Nope.
Are you kidding me? What? Alright guys, this last clip is a move I actually found by Yannick Balassi, I think is his name. And yeah, I'll show you a clip of him doing the move right now, and then let's do it afterwards. Basically, this move is a mixture of the Maradona and then a little flick at the end. So I go like this, and then try to flick it up at the last minute. And afterwards, I'm gonna be trying to do this move on my dad, and I'm gonna see if it works well. Alright guys, I think I've got the move down. Now it's time to test it. Let's do this. Alright guys, here we go. Oh, that was sick. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.